Hey guys, today in this video I will show you how you can install Windows 10 on your MacBook. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch this full video. So if there is any doubt, you can easily got the point wherever you're getting the doubt. So before that, you have to download the ISO file before installing Windows. So just go to your Chrome browser and search here Windows 10 download, and you will see the website of Microsoft where you have to enter. From there only we can download the ISO file of Windows 10 disk image. Okay, so this is the page where we have to enter, and then just to scroll down a little bit and then select the editor version, which editor we are going to download. This is the Windows 10 multi-editor ISO. Then do your confirm. After confirming here, you have to select the language, which language you prefer. So I am in India, so I will prefer in English. So I will search here for English. Here you can see the English United States is showing here. English India is not here, so let's continue with this and then confirm here. After that you will see here which bit you have. So I have a 64 bit in my Mac OS, so let's download this 64 bit. Let's see here the download has been begun, and now after completing the download, what you have to do, you have to flash that. Okay, so now I have downloaded the file. Here it is. After downloading, just copy the file into the desktop in the, then go to launchpad. After that, go to others. In other section you will see the bootcamp assistant. Where is my bootcamp assistant? Where is my bootcamp assistant? Here it is. Okay, so just open this one and then click on continue. The MacBook will automatically detect your ISO file. Look at here, and here you see the memory partition. So you have to select how much space you will give to the Windows and how much space you will give to a Mac OS. So I will select 50-50 for both. Okay, half partition for Windows and half for Mac OS. Okay, after that guys, just go to install. Okay, now remember one thing before doing this process. If your Mac is not full charge, then plugged with power. Okay, and then do continue on battery power. Means continue on battery power means guys, I am doing this process in my battery power. So do either full charge or connect your plug. Okay, and then guys, the process will start and the process will begin automatically. Whatever they want to do, they will do automatically. So leave this process alone and wait for some few hours. Now process is going on. Partition disk, the disk was partitioned over here now. Okay, after that some or more files will download. Okay, so let it this process. I will skip this process. So almost we are done for the first process, first step. Now the MacBook will automatically restart. Okay, and it will be redirect you to the boot menu, so from where you can install Windows. Okay, now do simply next and then install. Okay, that's it guys. I think guys, rest of the things you can easily do it. Okay, if there is if they're asking for Windows key, then just skip that process. Just what I'm showing you, what is the thing you have to skip. Setup is starting. Okay, now let it do their own thing. So here is the guys, all the process has been done. Okay, look at here. Now finishing up is going on. After that, my Windows is ready to use. Look at this green bar, it's coming near. So as almost we are done now, getting ready for Windows, and that's it. Very simple process. You can easily install Windows on your Mac OS, MacBook. Now here you can see that it's asking for a product key, so we will skip this. Okay, do this later, and then you can see here next, so just do this later. Go fast. Okay, for this just do use experience setting over here. Just a moment. Now here you can give the PC name. Okay guys, here you can give the PC name. Without PC name you can't go, so you can avoid the password, but you have to give the PC name. So I am giving a PC name DRD. Okay, and then no need to give any password, so just skip this and do next. Now next is, now we're in Windows has been installed. Okay, now it's showing hi. We are setting things up for you, so it's getting ready to use. This won't take long. Okay, setting up your apps. So guys, my Windows has been installed, and you can see here it's very simple, very easy trick to install. After installing Windows on your MacBook, you can see that your Wi-Fi will not work. So for that I will make a new video how you can solve the problem of Wi-Fi after installing this Windows on your MacBook. So I hope guys you get the point, you get the solution how you can install Windows on your MacBook. So guys, bye bye and take care.